completely empty.
What are we gonna do about dinner now?
I'm starving.
This is ridiculous. How much longer do they expect us to wait?
Please keep the line moving, madam. That is the last cylinder from this shipment. Noted. The total comes to 52. We are running low.
Raw petroleum gas is extracted and processed to create clean LPG fuel, used in homes and industries.
The pressure is stable at -40.
Reading confirmed. Logging the data now.
The extracted gas is purified and processed to ensure safe and efficient LPG fuel production.
The temperature is dropping faster than expected right here.
Yes, adjusting the flow rate now. Looks stable.
The pressure is fluctuating more than usual, and keep an eye on the input valve.
Roger that. Monitoring closely.
Gauge reading is stable. We're at the maximum fill rate. All right, I've logged the pressure and flow. Let's move to the secondary relief valves.
Seals look good on section 3. Did you verify the pressure levels?
Yes, all within tolerance.
All right, paperwork is in order. You are clear to proceed.
Check the input pressure on line 3.
Looks consistent with the flow rate.
All right, let's keep monitoring the temperature differential.
Empty cylinders are prepared and aligned for precise LPG filling under controlled pressure. Each cylinder is carefully measured to ensure the correct amount of LPG is filled safely.
There's the leak right at the valve assembly. See the pressure reading here?
After filling, cylinders move forward for final safety preparation and handling.
Each filled cylinder undergoes final safety checks to ensure secure LPG storage.
Every cylinder is tested carefully to prevent gas leakage and ensure complete safety.
cylinders are sealed securely to maintain safety during transportation and usage.
Keep an eye on the alignment down there. Will do. Everything seems stable.
That's the last one for this batch.
Okay, scanning complete. 100 units ready to go.
Check the pressure gauge on this one. Looks good, registering full capacity. Let's move to the next row.
LPG cylinders are organized carefully to ensure smooth supply to homes and businesses. The LPG cylinder is now completely ready for safe and efficient use. The LPG cylinder provides clean and efficient fuel for daily cooking needs.
The flames are robust and blue. The connection seems secure.
Good. Log the findings on the tablet.